Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about overflow. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is create our file. I'm going to name it overflow because of what we're going to be flow.html. So let's do a shortcut for our HTML structure. So we're going to change this to overflow. So let's create a simple card that has content so we can see the benefit of and what overflow does. So this we're going to name it overflow 2. Overflow. So we're going to be using our internal styling. So I'm going to do my style tag and dot overflow. So next thing we're going to add our width height to make a shape for our content. So let's say 30 pixel, we now have a height. Okay, so do 50 pixel. So let's give it a background color. So I'm going to give background color of red. Let's see what it looks like first. So this is what it looks like. So you can see this is showing, is running out of our div, the content. So we're going to use overflow to manage that. So when we do overflow hidden, it automatically hides it removes it from, it stops it from overflowing out of its parent. So that's for overflow hidden. You can actually do overflow. If you do visible, then to show. Then you can do overflow scroll. So this is it, scrolling. So if the content is more than the div or the parent, I add overflow scroll, automatically makes it scroll like this. So now it's scrolling, is basically what it is. So we have the hidden, we have the scroll, we have the visible, we have the auto, and the rest of them. And this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.